welcome to another video. Since a couple of days ago I started noticing a problem with my left side turn signal. Whenever I signal left and I press the brake, I get this error. And the rear lamp goes like this. So today I'm gonna have to fix it. Most likely the problem with the lights is because of the water or the moisture that has built up in the lamp. So I'm gonna have to remove the lamp and drill a hole, how I've done on the previous car, and should fix the problem. So I've drilled a hole here, and this should prevent any future problems.
1 week later.
Well, drilling a hole didn't solve the problem. After I checked, the plug was looking like this and had a melted pin, and the bulb holder as well had the pin melted. So I went to the local scrapyard and got myself a brand new second-hand bulb holder and a plug, and now are on the car. So in conclusion, don't drill any hole in the lamp if there's no water or moisture in it. Just check the wiring, make sure it's not melted, and obviously the bulbs. So I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe as usual, and see you on the next one.